Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the Ukulele Fool, and I have a fabulous Christmas song for any of you that have kids at home or work with kids or have grandkids or anything like that. Santa, bring me a dinosaur. I mean, what's so clever about this? This was written by John Williamson, and it's got 3 chords, and it's C, F, and G. Oh, you have more to love about this. So it's just very beginner, very basic song, which has lyrics that are just so totally charming. Let's go over the strum for this. It's going to be an island or calypso strum that we're going to do. The down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. But if you want to do something a little bit snazzier, replace that second down with a chuck. So it's going down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Don't know how to chuck? Not a problem. First of all, I have a link up here to how to do a chuck, and then you can just do it with an island strum, no problem. I'm going to change up the strum just a little bit within the song. There's always these places where Santa, bring me a dinosaur. And I'd like those lyrics to really ring out. So I changed the strum there to 2 strums on G and 2 single strums on C. So the lyrics really take the highlight, not the strumming, not the ukulele. So let's do a little practice on that. We are going to do 2 island strums on G, and then we're going to go G, G, C, C, and then G slash, C slash, those are single strums. So let's do that. Let's keep it nice and slow. 1, 2, and here we go. G, Now, let's up our game. Let's just do the 2 island strums on G, and then let's add the lyrics, and I'll put them down here. We're going to go, Santa, bring me a dinosaur. Okay, like that. 1, 2, and the island strum, and G, G. Santa, bring me a dinosaur. And that happens in the verse, and then it happens twice in the chorus. Just a quick peek here at the chord chart that I offer. I've got links down below to get you to there. Shows you the island strum with a chuck, but again, you can put a simple down strum there and just regular island strum. We have an introduction, and each one of these brackets here represents 1 island strum. The verse, as I talked about before, you've got a single strum G, G, C, C, and it's written like that. And then what I offer at the ending to get out of this is do the chorus twice, and you just slow down at the end, so you're just going, Santa, bring me a dinosaur. Keep it nice and simple, easy peasy. I have a box diagram here, and what is helpful in that is it shows you, for example, if you're looking at the chorus, and you look over here to where the chorus is written out, and you just say the C here, and then the lyrics. Well, it tells you that you've got to play 2 island strums to get through all of that, and then again 2 Fs on the island strum. It also shows you that the verse and the chorus are almost identical. The only difference is how we get out of the chorus with the 2 G single strums and 2 C single strums, and of course there's always diagrams how to do those chords. Are you with me so far? Good, because I would love for you to subscribe to this channel and give it a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell. Oops, speaking of bells, I hear my dog shaking her tag. Things that other kids like. I don't want a cat or a ladder door.
Ho, 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 ho.